Alrighty. Oh, what a beautiful day, isn't it, Claire?
Yeah.
Yeah. You would know what would make this day better?
What?
Burgers.
Yeah.
Let's...
Yeah, Daddy, let's make burgers.
All right, let's do it. Alrighty. Okay, so get that. Good. Now don't forget the meat. Good. Alrighty. I think that's all we need. Let's go.
Here's our plan, barbecuers.
All right, so we're gonna do some hickory smoked home fries and reverse sear pork burgers, Italian style.
That sounds good, Daddy.
So the Green Mountain Grill has been a trusty sidekick in the barbecue pit for a couple of years now. It's a great pellet smoker. I've got the Daniel Boone edition. You haven't seen one of these things? Come on, check it out. All right, here she is, folks. Daniel Boone model Green Mountain Grill. So over here we have Wi-Fi connection, temperature reading, food control, temperature also there. Inside are pellets. It looks like hamster food, doesn't it? But these are hickory pellets, but there are many different flavors you can get. The Daniel Boone model easily fits 4, 5, even 6 racks of ribs. Not a problem. 2 full-size briskets will go there. Right now I've got it lined with tin foil, but because it's going to act as an oven for this cook. All right, folks. So you all know the drill with the reverse sear. The temperature is going to go up a little bit. We're going to do 135 and then head it over to the kettle for the final searing. Quick and easy with these burgers. They're pork patties with a pinch of salt on either side, Italian seasoning on them. I've also hit them with a pinch of garlic powder on both sides. They're going to be great. The absolute best brand ever. All right, to kick these things up Italian style, we're also going to do some sauteed red onions with some balsamic vinegar. Trusty cast iron is going to be our friend for these red onions. Do them over indirect heat. It's going to take you about 10 minutes. Alrighty, so the pork patties have been on the pellet smoker and come up to 135 degrees. Now they're going to come on to the Weber kettle here, onto the grill grates for the final sear. Uh-oh, she's hiding. She's hiding. Oh, hold on. Okay. Alrighty. So look at right here. Yep, there we go. We had, what did we eat, Claire? We had our Italian pork burgers with hickory smoked homestyle fries. They were pretty yummy, weren't they? Yes. So check us out. This video will be on YouTube, on Instagram TV, on Facebook. Like us everywhere. Help me get to 1,000 likes, folks. That'll really help out. And my wife's hiding in the background. Say hi, wife. And folks, Claire just reminded me that we had to say bye, barbecuers. So say bye, Claire.
Bye, barbecuers.
There you go. See you later.